tent. We are at Padre Island National Seashore, and we think the winds are about 20 to 25 miles an hour, possibly a little bit higher. The tent is standing, but as you can see, we have had to secure it with some additional cordage. But other than that additional cordage, we have two lines. We have this line here attached that goes down into the ground, and we have another line attached here over to here. So we're going to see if it holds all night. But as it stands, the tent is holding. We think the winds are, I'm going to guess they're about 25 mile an hour winds right now. And we're going to try and sleep in this thing tonight. So it's a beautiful night. We're going to have a campfire. If it holds tonight, I'll be impressed. Padre Island National Seashore. The tent held up overnight. Actually fairly impressed with it, but it definitely requires multiple people to set it up.